Good morning, America and world. We're international. Good morning, everybody. What a beautiful Friday it is here. Stand by, just fixing my screen. Good morning, sir. Just getting myself situated. My gosh, the markets are they're just selling off this morning. They're just selling off this morning. Goodness, Bitcoin 94,000 on Bitcoin. Crazy work. Man, feel a little FOMO missing out on the shorts, man. My goodness. The sell-off is real. All right, let's just take a chill pill and take a look at everything here. Check the news. Welcome to Friday, November 14th. I'm just thankful to be alive, thankful to be here, have the opportunity to go live one more time, as can't do this forever, right? There's an end to everything. So I'm just thankful to be here one more time, guys, one more time. And it's Friday. Hopefully you're having a good Friday wherever you're at in the world. Fridays are really good. You know, if we end the day green, it'll be a great weekend. If we end the day red, it'll be kind of rough. But that's the name of the game. That's trading. That's all we can do, really. So here we are. No news for today, which is great. I'm glad there isn't any news to have to worry about. So the name of the game now is to just chill. Name of the game now is just chill and sit and wait for something to pop up. You know, we got an hour till market opens. There isn't a rush to get into anything, so we're just going to sit and wait. Does it too risky to trade? Is it like in general, is it too risky? I mean, man, everything's risky. Everything's risky. Of course, trading is high risk because you can lose all your money. But anything's risky, man. And good morning too. Good morning. Good morning. Or good evening, wherever you're at in the world. Right now, this is crazy. You know, this one hour candle right here, 63 points on gold. That's $6,360 on one mini contract. Just absurd. Absurd. If we look at NQ, let's clear the charts. NQ overnight, or just from yesterday to today, 1,000 points off NQ. Crazy. But yeah, let's just take a look at the charts. You know, we're not going to rush into things. We're not going to make hasty decisions. We're just going to watch and wait for an opportunity to present itself. Let me do this actually, because I feel like I'm bigger than the actual screen itself of what you guys are looking at. So I'm just gonna squeeze this a little bit more there. Self up slightly. And I'm gonna put this right in the middle. There you go. I think that's a bit better. Okay, great. All right, let's mark off our 1 hour supply and demand areas and see what we get here. This is just the very bottom. There is this here that looks interesting. Not the greatest area, but that is a demand. I entered long at 95K. Entered long on Bitcoin at 95K. Let's take a look. Long at 95. I wish I could pull up Bitcoin on TopStep X, but I can't. 95. As of this very moment, you are up, which is good, man. Nice job. Yeah, 95 psychological whole number, $95,000 is pretty intriguing. I can see why you went long there. If I'm on the daily, we are in an area of demand for a daily candle on Bitcoin, which is the 95,000 mark. So yeah, I mean, I'd say, you know, if there's any sense of rebound in that area, you got in at a good price. So nice job. I mean, it could continue to sell off, or, you know, market opens, this thing can continue to dump before it recovers a bit. But I don't, you know, to be honest, guys, with the overall sentiment of the market, with this AI bubble, with jobless claims data not coming out because of corrupted file, and, you know, real estate being so expensive. I mean, there's so many factors that call for a reset, you know. And in 2020, we called out, or we started printing money. We just started printing money as if there was no end. The government owes trillions of dollars. Like, there's a point where we gotta We got to bring things back to balance as it comes to the U.S. economy. So I'm a bear at heart. No one can time the market correctly, but yeah. Also said no rate cut in December. Holy cannoli, I didn't know that. Another no rate cut in December is insane. I mean, they took off a quarter of a basis point, which is just stupid. Now they're not going to do it in December. That's crazy, guys. I mean, something's up. This is just the beginning, I believe, of a few years of unfortunate turmoil in the markets and in the economy, and it sucks, but that's when there are opportunities for people like us, traders like us, you know, that can take advantage of what's happening. So yeah. But yeah, feeling good. I'm here. I'm alive. Thank you for jumping in. You're joining us for the first time. Would love to, hear from you, where you're at in the world, wherever you live. We've had a bunch of people from India and South Africa yesterday. But yeah, right now I'm just sitting and waiting. Of course, I'd want to jump into sells, but I don't want to be hasty. So just going to be patient and wait to see for a sign of life. A sign of life. If I were to go short at some point today, I would look for shorts up here on gold. Right? I would look at, that's the 1 hour supply. I would look for an opportunity of something like this. That would be an ideal situation. Now, do we get that? I don't know. We may or may not get that. But the sell-off is strong. I have limits to buy ETH at 29.39. Ooh, 29.39. That's down there, bro. That's down there. That's a good buy. I might be interested at 29.39. There's a last swing low here back in November 4th. It is 30.54. 30.54. If we break that today, 100%, we are definitely going to start traveling down to your buy area. Are you going long, like for a swing, or are you holding long term? Like, is it an intraday trade or a swing trade? So I'm going to trade the evals right now. This morning, be more patient on the express accounts because we're in profit on that. And then I also have my take profit trader account that I need to trade, or I'm open to trading today. But yeah, let's just, I'm just going to draw out some trend lines and things that I'm watching or things that I can see that look interesting to me. Long swing. Nice. Yeah, I think that's a smart buy. Even if we don't get to all-time highs again, there's some money to be made. Good morning, Shashiraj. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. I like this gold trend line break on the 1 minute as we tap the 1 hour demand. I'll be a little bit extra patient because we're just, it's still early. I'm not forcing anything, but there's a lot of opportunity to go up, right? There's just a good amount. So what I'm going to do is just allow to see if we get some sort of run up and trace back. I'll look to enter long again, only on the evaluation that I'm trading on TopStep. I'm at 51,969, so we only need about $1,000 to pass. So I'll be looking to hopefully pass today. Stuart, welcome. Good morning. Guys, I know we're just getting started. It's kind of early, but let's get the Friday vibes going. Let's get some Friday vibes going. If you can gently tap the like button or the heart, get some hearts in the chat. kind of pushes it to the algorithm, gets people going, so we can get people in the channel and we can get some good vibes and make some money together today. And I would greatly appreciate it. Okie dokie. Here we go. I'm liking this right now. You know, if we were to risk, oh wow, guys, the candles, the range of the candles are wide. The risk is wide, so just beware that volume is here. Be wary that volume is here, and that I don't know how to explain it. Maybe I'm explaining it correctly, but the risk of one candle is a lot wider. There's volume right now, which is good, but that also means that you're risking more per trade. So there's a lot of risk on the table right now. So I highly suggest you guys just be careful and take it slow. So I'm only trading my eval. Remember that, only trading my eval. Markets are selling off. Let's take a look at our poll. Markets are selling off. Is this temporary or are we in a bear market? 52% of you believe that the bears entered the chat. They're taking over. 48% of you know. Nah, bruh. We are rebounding from here. So, yeah. Trading on Friday, you are braver than me. I guess so, brother. I guess so. Hey, I'm just doing my thing. We don't know what's up. I'm risking more right now if I were to enter any trade, just because the candles are wider. The risk is a lot wider. Oops, my bad, guys. We got 2 indecision candles on the 5-minute time frame on gold here. So there is some sort of support forming. But just going to take it nice and slow. Not fully confident yet. We are definitely selling off. I'm going to risk a little bit more, 400 on the trade to give it some breathing room, because I'm trading minis, so this is pretty risky. You know, I'll take. Friday usually bad for me on gold. I think it's a sell for the meantime, as it seems to be trending with gold on weekends. Gotcha. Yeah, listen, not trading is a position too. Not entering the market, not putting money at risk is a risk in itself, or is a position in itself. So I'm gonna trade 1 mini on this if I like anything here going on. But the stops are wide. The stops are wide, or the stops aren't wide, they're tight. So it's a bit of a risk, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and place a buy order here at the bottom of this candle. See if there is a reversal candle before it goes long. And gonna risk 400 on this trade. Reasons, I'm going against the trend. I get that, and that's okay with me. And again, this is an eval, so I'm not stressing it. It's not a funded account. First time watcher, how do you describe your trading strategy? Are you combining trendline trading with some other syndicators? Yes, I am. I am taking trendline breaks with supply and demand areas on the 1 hour and the 5-minute. And then I also have 13 EMA on another screen and a 200 EMA on my trading view screen here. So I don't use the 13 and 200 all the time, but it's just that little bit of extra, need.
Order filled.
All right. We're risking 400, 390. We got filled, but we might get stopped out quick. Holy cannoli. I'm going down to micros because that is wild. Hold on. I'm going to micros, MGC. And that is just a evaluation trade, guys. Eval account, not funded. My funded express accounts are still good. We're good. I just wanted to take the stab with the evaluation. Hold on 1 second. Let me just draw out this demand area really quick here. And then we have one more demand area down here. Sorry, trying to keep up with everybody's comments here. All right, one more time, eh? One more time. One more time. I don't know why I said it like that. Let's go in. We're going to go minis this time around. First time watcher. I think I answered that. Bears. 100% got picked the right setups. Volatility was wild today on the London Open. Kind of cooked me. Bro, these candles are wide right now. Wide candles. My girlfriend just caught me getting high on her birth control again. What should I do? What the? That's just crazy. Crap's gonna dump until next year, Poppy. Yeah, I agree. I'm not looking for the biggest recovery. I'm just trying to pass this eval. Yikes, it's too volatile today. It is, but that also means there's a lot of opportunity, you know? So, interesting. Still learning about trading. No, so I'm always curious about what other traders use. I'll say it like I always say it. You can pray to the moon and the stars and only short when it's a full moon and high tide and make money. So I say that to help you broaden your perspective if you're just getting into it, because people sometimes want to be right in the way they trade, so they have something to say like, I use ICT or I use this and that, and I'm right in the way that I trade, right? It doesn't matter. I can care less. If you pray to Venus and Saturn and short or long whenever they're facing the Earth a certain way and you make money, props to you. I'm scaling down to minis. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 indecision candles on gold.
Order filled.
Just gonna go straight down here. This is the 1 minute currently that we're looking at. 1 minute. And then I base some of my entries on the 5. And with 1, 2, 3, 5-minute indecision candles inside of a 1 hour with the trend line break, it gets me interested. So those are the reasons why I'm trying to catch this move long. Sometimes you just get lucky on entry. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. And this might come down and stop me out again. And I'm totally fine because this is just an eval. I'm not even stressing it. What time frame are you in? This is 1 minute. Big movement. Big move imminent. Yes, I agree. I think there is, and I might be early because, you know, market open is still 20 minutes away. Or sorry, 40 minutes away. But yeah, I might be too early and it might stop out, drop down here, and then go long. I never bother looking at the time. 1 minute. I feel like it's useless. Why do you just to potentially catch a move a little earlier? Sorry, I never bother looking at the 1 minute. I feel like it's useless. Why do you? Yeah, I look at the 1 minute because it gives a bit more perspective on an entry. So that's why I tend to look at the 1 minute on trend line breaks and retests. So yeah, that's why. I used to never trade on the 1 minute, but I do now, and for whatever reason, it's working for me. Right? So We might still be cooked, guys. We're consolidating still. This thing can just sell off, but I'm anticipating some sort of rebound, and it might happen later. It might happen later. RE, what's up? Yeah, it looks like we're cooked, guys. It looks like we're cooked.
Order filled.
Ooh. Man, even 5 micros don't give me a lot of room. Just saying it again. This is just an eval. I still have my Express funded accounts. We're up 700 on the Express, but I probably won't be trading those for quite a bit. So, holy cannoli, we got 102 people watching right now. That's crazy. Welcome to the chat. I've never seen that before. If you are watching me lose money right now, it would mean so much if you could tap the like button. Kind of helps me push this out into the rest of the world. So yeah, that's tough. Today I was looking for buys too. Yeah, and you know what? I might be stuck on a bias, but I also don't want to chase, because look at this, right? Like, you see, like this picture right here, this should show you that, you know, you can get stuck on a bias trying to short. And I'm just trying to be protective of myself. Like, don't be stuck on a buy. So I tried going long in an hour of demand, and I'm totally fine with that. And I'm totally fine blowing this up today. I'm not going to lie. Not that I want to, and that it's good, but this is just an eval account. It's $49. That's why I'm easily like, hey, let's just, you know, let's try it one more time. But right now, you know, the idea of the long didn't work out with 1, 2, 3 indecision candles. That kind of helped me think that there was a reversal coming. If you go to the 15-minute, you see you got this like indecision candle. The price doesn't know where it wants to go. You know, another scenario in my mind that may play out is if price comes down, comes back up above here, then maybe we look for longs. Yo, bro, what's up? Hey, Mr. Living Room, what's up, man? What's up? Any chance for the 3966 level? My easy answer is yes. I just don't know when. Today, it's very possible. Not gonna lie. Today, it's very possible. I'm down first 1K first day of my XFA. Hey, bro. So sorry to hear that, but you know, my recommendation, if you're down a K on your XFA in the first day, lock yourself out, stop looking at the charts, play some video games, Call of Duty. Call of Duty sucks right now, but you know, play some video games, hang out, have a good weekend, rest up, come back next week. That's my recommendation. It was a good setup idea, but all good ideas go to crap on Fridays. Yeah, that does happen. Is day trading legit? I'm really big into gambling. I usually lose, LOL, but the ROI in trading seems better and more consistent. Yeah, I treat this like a video game, and I think I think this is still gambling, and this is semantics at the end of the day. I think everything's gambling in the sense that nothing's for sure. Starting a business is risky. Waking up in the morning is risky. You can get in the elevator and all of a sudden the elevator breaks and die. Like, everything's risky. So when I look at it like that, as long as you manage your risk and you're smart about what you're doing, you can be a professional poker player and make a lot of money. It closed 24.75 and we can get long on NQ. I like that. Sebas, Too Real. What's up, bro? I'm Luke, by the way. What's happened down 700 plus? I've turned in. Oh, Luke. Okay, gotcha. So easy on YouTube, Luke on the Discord. Oh, guys, if you haven't joined the Discord, join the Discord. It's in the description. Just building community, chatting it up, and talking about trading life. That's it. What's up, bro? Oh, sorry. What's happened down 700 plus? I've just turned in. Oh, yeah. I tried longing, going long here twice already. And then obviously it failed. But now that we're coming back up, I'll wait for some longs. Hey, bro, what do you do? Yeah, I am a professional. I'm sorry, I was trying to come up with something funny. I manage social media accounts, so agency outside of trading. Shoot content with this big old camera over here. Have a team in the Philippines that edits all the content. We post on the business's behalfs. I also manage call centers. And I don't make enough from trading to go full time. So that's the truth. What's up, bro? Which currency pairs are you looking at? This is gold. I'm watching gold right now. XAU USD if you're watching Forex. Or if you trade Forex. So I'm liking longs a bit more. Just a matter of when do I get in. Oops. In this hour of demand, price came down and did a liquidity sweep or whatever you want to call it. It rejected this area, came back up, and now I'm just going to be patient to see if there's an opportunity to go long. The reason why it's like, Shaq, what do you mean? You want to go long? Everything's selling off. Yes, but I also don't want to get caught in the short. So if I am going to go short today, it'll be somewhere up here, which is crazy to think. But if price comes back up here, I will definitely be looking for shorts there. Hey, bro. How you do? What, bro? Which currency? Just joined the Discord. Thanks, brother. Living room. Thanks, man. Keep crushing it there, and we can keep chatting it up in there too. How much do you think you would need to make full time? I'm a little bit rich in my living. I like to, I've got a Toyota Supra, and I got payments and stuff, and overhead's kind of higher than most, I would say. So I'd be comfortable around $10,000 to $15,000 a month in trading, which is not much compared to other people, but that I know. I'm the poor guy compared to the friends I have here in Arizona. So 10 to 15K, I think I can manage day trading and being fine. What's going on with NQ futures? NQ right now is it's been selling off, and I'll take a look at it real quick, but there's an opportunity with gold right now I don't want to miss. But my quick analysis on NQ, we'll go over to the 1 hour. Been selling off, obviously. There is this hour of demand that I see right here. The next hour demand that I would see price going to would be down here somewhere. So bring this over. There might be an opportunity where price comes down and then we recover above this 1 hour demand and then we go long. That's one scenario. Or we just continue lower into this demand and then go long. So those are the two things. Bear with me. I just want to watch gold because it's intriguing to me. That would be pretty low, but a healthy leaving. Yeah, exactly. I'm not going to shoot for the stars and make, let's do 50K a month. I mean, I don't want to be negative. Maybe one day that would be great, but just to stop everything else that I'm doing, 10 to 15K. Any input on what's happening with the tech market? Bro, tech market is crazy. In my opinion, it's a huge bubble, especially the AI stuff. You've got AI feeding AI. Like you got, what is it called? Nvidia propping up revenue for Oracle by saying they're going to buy something from Oracle, which Oracle buys Nvidia chips, you know, from Nvidia. So, and then you have OpenAI buying chips from this place, and again, Nvidia saying we'll put money back into there. So it's this circular motion of money that's creating fake revenue, and there isn't really any money coming from the outside of that circle, which tells me that's a bubble that could possibly pop. So my analysis. DC will be good for long soon. Yeah, I think so too. Just trying to be patient. Any buy on gold will be sold into 4,000 target today. So a bounce coming in, but will be sold into. 7 o'clock candle just popped open. I would say that a flip on this candle would be pretty sweet. I know it seems pretty gambly, guys, but I don't care. It's just an eval. It's just an eval. So I'm not stressing it. And I still have my take profit trader account to trade. Holy cannoli. Oh no.
Order filled.
Again, eval. I'm not worried. It's just an eval. Yeah, guys, we are definitely not doing what I think it's gonna do. So I'm gonna lay off. I got 900. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys can't see my equity, but it says here on my balance I have 50,948. My maximum loss is $49,968, and this is on my combine only. Not yet, bro. I feel that, hey, I wanted to take the stab, and I'm totally fine. Cup and handle, and take this with a grain of salt. Like this is just an evaluation. Okay, $49.25 is what I'm risking. $49.25. That's all I'm risking. So I'm not thinking I'm actually risking $1,000 right now. You see what I'm saying? I used to take this evals very serious, but I don't anymore, because that's what they kind of want you to do. They want you to look, prop firms want you to look at the evaluation like real money. So you kind of get stressed out. It takes forever. You get reset and you get kind of this mindset. When I like to take more risk and be more gambly with $49, I'd rather pass fast than wait. You ever get a withdrawal? Yeah, I have about $10,000 with TopStep and $3,000 with Take Profit Trader. What contract size do you trade? Right now, I scaled down to micros on this because of the volume is so crazy. Like this 1 minute candle is 10 points on the mini contract. That's $1,000 almost. That's $1,000. Yesterday I was risking $300 on a trade because the volume was less. So there's more volume, so I scaled down to 5 minis or 5 micros. So this is still a $500 candle, which is crazy. Told you buys will be at 4,000 soon. Yeah, bro. I mean, you could be right. And if you are, let's go. Gold's looking bearish today, in my opinion. 100, bro. You're so right. Gold is very bearish. I'm just gonna put this up. This is what the last 3 hours look like. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Selling. I'm just looking to catch a reversal and not even a crazy move. But you can get stuck with that type of bias, right? And lose. That's just the way it is. Like right here, this faked me out. It reversed, came up, broke this trend line, and failed the trend line and shorted. So, you know, I could possibly look to go short if I wanted to. But then I'd be chasing. Using the combines is good for practice for your risk management. It's good to use these to focus on risk management, just scale bigger than you would on your express. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I totally agree. Like on my express accounts, I'm at $746 in profit on my express accounts. If I would traded the same size that I do on my evals, I would double that. So I'd be up $1,400. But on evals, I usually tend to risk 300 to 350. And then on express accounts or funded accounts, I take that down to $150 every trade that I take. Because I'm not I'd rather try to grow the account. With the evals, bro, I'm good. I'm good, bro. I'm not trying to wait a month to pass an account. It's just crazy. Guys, we passed 2 evals on Monday or Tuesday with you guys. Like we did that live. We passed risking 300. We got funded. I paid for it on Wednesday. Thursday, we had 2 winning days on the express accounts, and now we're up $700. So essentially, if you just look at the profit, that's two evals, that's $6,000 plus $1,400. So $7,400 is what we made in profit this week of fake money. Just fake money. $7,400. And that's the way you have to look at it. Today I'm down $1,000, but I've been down $1,000 plenty of times. Gold's playing with my heart right now. Gold's playing with my heart. This is the trend line that I was looking at earlier. Muli, good eye. Good morning. What's up? Yeah, I know you know. Just good for you guys starting out here to realize and learn what they should do. Yeah, 100%. Thanks. Thanks, Easy Kid. Easy's on the new trader side. He's for everybody. Easy for president. Easy. I'm just saying easy for president because he's looking out for you guys. I mean, we both are. All right, it's 7:06. It's 7:06. I want to trade one more time on this long, but we're getting close to open that I don't know if it's worth it. NQ definitely is reversing. Yeah. I mean, look at this. 18 points, $1,820 on one mini contract on gold. That 5-minute candle. Just whack. About to break. Make it a day belongs to you. Make it a day belongs to you. I don't know what you mean by that, but it sounds positive. Thank you. It's tough market. Got to be careful. Greed monster is always on your tail. Exactly, bro. That's why I might not trade my here we go. I might not trade my express accounts, to be honest. I might just stay green on the express accounts and trade next week. Guys, just 1 second here. Need to check something for my team. It needs 11-6 actual trade. I have a team in the Philippines who will be editing my content for shorts, like these live stuff with us. 11-6. Let's go ahead and do the 11. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Gold looking good for buys. Tight stop, high risk. Bro. Tight stop thing is hard, man. It's because I'm gonna trade one micro. It's crazy. Blue My Express funded oversizing and revenge trading. Oh, bro. Sorry to hear that. It's all good, man. It's all good. Happens to the best of us. Don't take it too hard on yourself. And hey, can we get some hearts in the chat for Jada? Or sorry, Jaded. Just some love for him, because it's not easy. Don't beat yourself up. Just reflect, right? Reflect on what happened. Reflect on the emotions of why you overtraded, why you sized up or revenge traded, whatever it is. Just reflect. There's some guys that I don't necessarily hate, but whenever I hear people say, bro, lock in. Yeah, where's your discipline? You need to lock in, bro. You need to just lock in. Locking in, to lock in, you must know yourself. And I'm in a journey of learning myself. I barely knew myself all my life. Just in the last year or so, I learned who I am. I learned why I overtrade. I learned why, like, just normal things in life about myself. And that's a whole nother video. But instead of trying to lock in, know why you overtraded, know why you revenge traded, or why you oversized. Like, that is the question. And usually that comes to greed, brother. And I'm speaking for myself. When I was losing a lot, it's because I was trying to make money. You know, I was like, I need to make money in trading so that I can stop doing anything else, or I can get that thing I want, and I can get the freedom, quote unquote, that I'm looking for. I'm trying to make money in trading. Why can't I make money in trading? It's killing me. Da 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 da. Like that type of conversation. I was doing the math. I had 5 XFAs with TopStep, and I'm like, oh man, I just did $1,000 today. 1,000 times 5, that's 5 G's. 5 G's times 10 days. 10 days a month. That means I'll be making 50K. Like, those conversations I just cut out of my life. I just stopped, because I realized I'm trying to make money in trading. See, when we shouldn't try to make money in trading, we should just trade what's in front of us and let whatever happens happen. Right? Sorry for the long-winded answer, but I felt like I should say that. And if you haven't hit the like button, I mean, I'm hurt. Maybe I didn't earn it, but can I get a little love, some likes, so we can get above the 20 mark? Feeling good Friday, down $1,000 on this eval, which I can care less, but it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. If you haven't followed me on Instagram at ShackMT, if you haven't joined the Discord, it's in the description below. The morning's just getting started. It's going to be great. Living room, if you're watching the stream, I just saw you in the Discord. Hey, this guy's got a Corvette. Okay. Nice. Vet. He's got a vet. I like it. Hello, Shaq. I liked you from India, bro. Hey, what up, bro? Vamsi. Welcome. India. Every time someone comes from India, enter the chat, I have to tell you, my wife and I love Indian food. She gets paneer tikka masala. I got chicken tikka masala. Just the best. And I go like medium. I go low spice, because for whatever reason, when I say medium spice at an Indian place, my mouth is on fire. I can't handle medium spice in Indian food. They like throw it all in there. You know what I mean? So yeah. What up, G? What up, bro? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream. Guys, look at this. It's cooking. I'm not gonna lie, this is cooking. Longs, 100%. I am very intrigued to go long. This is the 1 minute. Boom. Some sort of break here. I will look for it to break, and then I will wait for it to come back and retest. Let's jump to the 5 minute right quick. 5 minutes not looking too pretty. You know, we can this is shorts right now. Like this trend line, if it breaks, shorts look pretty interesting. You know, just trading with the trend. To go lower. You know what? You know what? Call me crazy. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. But I'm going short if it flips. 15 minutes before market open, I'm going short. Who thinks I'm crazy? This is gambling. I'm just a little bit of a bias here, and this is just a freaking eval. So don't take me serious on this. I'm taking this short. This is gambling, and this is just an eval. This isn't real money. This isn't real money. It's just 49 bucks. I'm gonna go get my bottled water because I have to drink a drink here for my weight loss. Be right back. Call me stupid. He said, easy kid, I'm crazy. I'm just, it's only 49 bucks. I'm not going to stress it. That's actually what helps me pass is to not stress the 49 bucks. You know what I mean? When I pass and I pay 149, now I'm in 250 bucks. That's when I stress it. That's when I'm like, okay, bro, I should probably like take this serious. What market? This is GC futures, gold. Oh, wait. I didn't wash my cup yet, so don't judge me, okay? Can I also get some likes? I'm down 12 pounds since Monday. 12 whole pounds since Monday. Can we get some likes in the chat? Come on, man. Yeah, I don't want to act like I'm fake about it. I have a guy that keeps me accountable. That's my scale this morning, 329. And I started 341. All because of this stuff. So trying to lose weight, trying to be healthy, trying to enjoy trading with you guys. Good luck on the weight loss journey. I applaud you for working hard. Thanks, brother. Thanks. I appreciate that. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it. We might get stopped out. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna add in here. I'm gonna add in here too. What's a diet plan trying to lose 25 pounds? It's called Optavia. You get like milkshakes and bars and like you can make like brownies and stuff, and you eat this 5 times a day every 2.5 hours, and at the end of the night you eat something called a lean and green. Super clean meat and super clean vegetables, and I eat that every night for the last 5 nights. I've been eating 99% lean green turkey and a handful of broccoli sprouts and cauliflower. But if you're smaller, like if you're smaller than me, it's going to be harder to lose 25 pounds, you know. Since I'm bigger, it's going to be faster to lose 25 pounds. So, okay, guys, it looks like it is going to do the reversal. Again, just to eval, and if I blow it up in front of you guys, I can care less. Hey, we're gonna do a giveaway. What should we do? And it's only in America. It's only in America because I can only do Venmo and I can only do PayPal. Should we do TopStep? You know, we're gonna do TopStep. Let's go TopStep. We're gonna do a TopStep giveaway. Stop shaking it. Your face pop. He said stop shaking it. Your face is in 4K.
Order filled.
Thanks, bro. Oh man, that is funny. Give one GF. Give one girlfriend. Is that what you're meaning? I don't know what that means. Cool, appreciate it. That made my day, bro. That made my day. Thank you. That made my day. On the 29 pounds. You're losing. You lost 29 pounds? Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's get some hearts in the chat for Matt. That's solid. All right. Longs entered the chat, but the market's about to open, so I'm just going to chill out. I got 600 left on the eval. On my take profit trader, I'm at 1,775. On my take profit trader, let's see if you guys can see this. On my take profit trader account, I'm up 1775 currently. Mata usikai tae, brother. Mata usikai tae. Is that Filipino? Because tae in Filipino is poop. Well, I don't know if that is. But yeah. So on the take profit trader, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to make sure that I pass it because it's more expensive. It's $97 as opposed to the $49. And if you pass, there's no activation fee on take profit trader. So I'll be less gambly on this. That's why I've taken it serious. That's why we're up 1,755. I'm waiting on this LAC. I've been playing for a long game with it. I don't know what LAC is. Easy Kid, where you at? He called longs out and I went short, unfortunately, thinking he was going to break, but I got faked out. Hey, we're close to 30 likes, guys. Yesterday was my top likes on a video. Let me see what it was. $67. Does that sound hard? Can we beat 67 likes today? Is that possible? I'm chilling, bro. I'm in longs. Nice. Easy, bro. Easy, kid. Let's go. I'm waiting on this LAC. Yeah, longs right here would have been decent. Excuse me. Good job, Easy. Good job. Good job. Clean trend line break. Market's about to open, so I'm not going to rush into anything, guys. Let's look at this. Look at our poll here. Markets are selling off. Is this temporary or are we in a bear market? Bears entered the chat. 52% of you think that we are definitely in bear season. 48%. Nah, bro. We rebound from here. It's half and half. We're half and half. That's pretty interesting. We're kind of half and half right now. Lithium. Oh, okay, lithium. I've never looked at lithium before. I'll have to check out lithium. I'm chilling around the longs. Where do I put the like? Bro, you can put the like right there, the thumbs button right under my name, Shaq MC, or you can tap the heart. I don't know if they both count, but appreciate you asking. Just touch the 4-hour gap. Yeah, yeah, I think so. Yep. 9:30 open will show where gold wants to go. I'll be watching NQ and ES for them also. Yeah, I have EQ or NQ pulled up on my other screen, and the TopStep account or the Take Profit Trader account ready. So to try passing today. Top of the page, hit the thumbs up till it opens up in the section. Thanks, brother. Thanks for guiding the guy. All right, I'm gonna throw this on my Instagram because everybody likes to post wins. I'm gonna show losses. it's just I just want to do the opposite of what a lot of other guys do. I love this dual capture on iPhone where you can put your face there. And did I hear giveaway? And you're the only one that said it. I said that like what, 30 minutes ago? It feels like. Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna do take profit TPT. No, TopStep. So I love this dual camera feature. So we're gonna go shoot a video for Instagram. What up, guys? We are live on YouTube. We've been live for about an hour, but we are down $1,300 on this eval. It's just an eval. We're having fun in the chat. So if you have time to come and join with us and trade and chat it up, let's go. Thanks, guys, for letting me do that. Okay, so now that we broke this structure here, we broke this last lower high, longs in this 5-minute demand are very interesting, but the market's opening up at 4 minutes. I don't want to take that trade. Don't trade Friday, guys. PA-eyed-ish. I don't know what that means. Fridays can be great, man. Fridays can be solid. We always in a bull market. It's just each time frame has to pull back to higher time frame. Who is that guy? Prayer Kid? Prayer Kid is speaking facts right now. We are literally always in the bull market. There's always going to be higher highs. I believe the same thing. And I've heard this guy, Kenny Glick, he as the first guy I ever learned trading from. It's staircase up, elevator down. Right now we're in the elevator down. It's just how fast and how low will we go, and then it's back up. Yo, what's good? What up, bro? Welcome. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, the name is Shaq MT. I have another trading account I'm gonna open up. Post trading content there, but okie dokie. Skip to live. Longs. This longs right now. Longs right now, except market's about to open. Boom. Longs right now look sick. I'm not taking it. That market's about to open. Funded trading, no. This is just my eval. My funded accounts, I'm still waiting. I'm $746 on 2 express funded, and I have 2,000 on another 2 express funded. But I just want to finally pass one more eval on TopStep. More thumbs up. Hey, we should probably listen to Datsun. More thumbs up. More the better. What pair are you trading? This is XAU USD. NQ is still struggling. Looks like it's trying to sell off, but it's about to open. Let's go to NQ. I think everybody likes NQ. Trendline breakout. Yes, sir. Trendline breakout. Retest. You got to add that retest. Trendline breakout retest. I like to enter when it comes back. This is NQ on the 1 minute. Let's go down to the 5. You know, we're starting to recover here a bit. You see, we made lower low, and we're seeing if we make a new higher high and then a new lower high, something like that, right? So it's still indecision here. I also trade XAUUSD. It's been a wild day for bro. You're telling me? Look at me. I'm down $1,300 on this eval. It is wild. The candles are huge, bro. The size of risk is crazy. One 5-minute candle is almost as 8 points. Yesterday, let's just look at yesterday. Yesterday, one 5-minute candle, 500. Now one 5-minute candle, 700, almost 800. So yeah. Bro. I want to enter longs. So bad. Yeah, huge candles. Yeah, dude. 7:30, time to eat. Market just open, Shaq. Breathe. It's just an eval. I feel like I'm feeling FOMO. It's just an eval. Longs do look good. Break even right now. Went down 500, went up 500. Bro, nice. Good job. Break even's good too, bro. Break even's good too. You in LA? One day, hopefully, want to move to LA. I'm in Arizona. I live in the penny stock world. I started at 400 a year ago, just playing around. Now my account sits at 26K. It's growing, looking to make this a full-time career next few months. Let's go, man. Congratulations to you. Those are amazing stories. Amazing stories, man. It's so cool to hear people actually, you know, doing it. It's encouraging to me. I'm still not full-time. I have a business outside of this that pays the bills, but props to you, brother. I'm just a spectator for the rest of the day. Okay. I like it. Sometimes it's just good to spectate. You're green on the day, or you're break even for the day, bro. Psh, that's a win in my book. Not losing money is just as good as making money in this world. All right, we got faked out on that long. We didn't enter in, but we got faked out on those longs. NQ selling off. Excuse me. So now we're coming down to this 1 hour candle demand that I'm looking at, and then maybe this one too. Exactly, brother. Exactly. Hey, let's do a roll call. I haven't done roll call. It's 7:30. Get me distracted from not looking at the charts right now because it's too early to trade. Or get in another trade, I should say. I already traded. Roll call. Where are you guys at in the world? Where's everybody at in the world, huh? Roll call. Pennsylvania. Love Pennsylvania. I mean, I don't know why I love Pennsylvania. I just remember I had a job. I used to manage a commercial roofing company. We had a job out in Pennsylvania. Canada. Welcome to the chat, Canada. 1433 for me in the UK. Let's go. Welcome. Oh, man, you're in the UK, bro. Okay. Thanks for joining. It's late for you. Monterrey, Mexico. Okay. Welcome, Mexico. First time from someone from Mexico in the chat. Welcome, welcome. South Africa. South Africa always comes in strong. Always. Shall we look at NQ, everybody? Shall we look at NQ? Ooh. Look at this trend line break. Clean. Clean. I'm from the UK too, bro. Oh, easy kid. I know you're in the UK. From Indonesia. Welcome. I don't think I've ever had Indonesian food, but I'm pretty sure it's delicious. Pretty sure it's delicious. Okay, guys, what do you guys think now? Longs? Are we rebounding longs, or is this going to be shorts? My goodness, that's crazy. I'm going to be extra patient. Going to stay extra patient. And I'd like to see it come back up here. Really clear these highs. I mean, 100% clear these highs on the 1 minute. And then look for the retest. Hey, we hit 40 likes. Thank you so much. It means a lot. It's been a grind going live and having fun with you guys, making sure I wake up early. I wake up at 4 in the morning. I got to charge my Tesla for the day. I have to drive 2 hours later today. I get here at my office at 5:30, do all my morning meetings, and get ready to go live at 6:30. So it just means a lot when I start to like see that we're building the community. I was going live like 4 or 5 months ago, and it would be like 3 people watching, and I just would still do it. So I appreciate it. I just wanted to say that. Appreciate you joining. Appreciate you like leaving likes, commenting, interacting with me. Even if I have a red day today, I had so much fun with you guys. Like I'm having fun, I should say. Fake out long, then straight into lower lows. Okay. Well, yeah, I agree with you. I would like to see a retracement up into this 1 hour supply before it makes a new lower low on the 1 hour. So that's kind of what I'm going to look for. So yeah. Because look at this. I mean, we are 100% just making equal lows here. So yeah. Welcome to the pain zone. Have you guys watched Spider-Man, the first Spider-Man, the Amazing Spider-Man? And he's in the wrestling match. Spider-Man just realized he has superpowers and he's strong. And the guy he's wrestling, his name's Bonesaw, and he goes, "Bonesaw is ready," and that's what made me think about it. Welcome to the pain zone, brother. That's what it sounds like. I'm in longs again from 4038. Easy. How do you call these out, bro? How are you getting it? Okay, I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle to close above these highs. I'm gonna wait. Easy, make that money, bro. Easy. It's easy money for easy. 40.38 is a nice price for longs. Yeah. 7:38. There's still time. Guys. Hold up. Look at NQ. Hold up. Boom. I'm going to mark this out for longs. Set my alert. And I'm going to draw this out. Okay, so as long as we close above here, I would like to enter in long somewhere down here. Volume NQ will be looking good for the longs on the OR break, opening range breakout. Yeah, I think so too. I'm just gonna wait just a little longer for this 5-minute candle to close. I'm gonna hope for some sort of pullback and then enter long. See if I make it. Nope. Nope. We need more displacement. I don't know what that is, to be honest. I don't know what displacement is, but if it works, it works. Missed again. Measured move up. Yes. Agreed. All right, 5-minute candle close on the 13 EMA. I 100% want to take longs. Are you going to pick that up? Maybe. I don't know. I didn't expect that. That's hilarious. I don't know, bro. Might just leave it there. Maybe we don't get the pullback. Displacement is pretty much where there's a huge buying or selling pressure out of a certain range. Gotcha. So like this candle, displacement candle is what you guys would call this. Yeah, I'm liking longs here if we get it. I just joined for the first time. Whoa, what's up? First timers. I love it. Thank you for joining. Where are you from? Yeah, I am definitely going to long on the TPT account on this too. Stand by, creating limit order. Limit order has been placed. First time for me also. Welcome. Pull back inbound. I hope so. That's it. Just subscribe, bro. Let's go. Thank you for the subscription, man. Means a lot. It's been a grind trying to grow the community and grow this channel, and every subscription just is like, yo, no way. Thank you so much. I'm just some random chubby Asian dude in Arizona. Y'all want to watch? Sweet. Thank you. I'm going to keep coming out with some good content. My apologies that it's been kind of slow, been really busy, but I plan on making some decent content for you guys. What's the bias for today? It's long for a short-term amount of time, and then short for the longer time frame, for the bigger time frame. First timer too. Welcome, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining for the first time. It means a lot. Where are you at in this beautiful world of ours? Don't talk about yourself that way. I've been chubby all my life. I'm cool. I'm just kidding. But yeah. Appreciate that. What time frame is this? This is the 1 minute. I look at 1 minute, 5 minute, and 1 hour. Easy Kid is in the money. Are you Pinoy, brother? Yes, sir. ¿Cómo está? Indiana. The country of Indiana. I'm just kidding. What up, bro? Indiana's cool. Indiana's cool. I used to do commercial roofing, managed a commercial roofing call center. We called Indiana. Some hail. Guys, we're at 42 likes. The most I've ever had on stream was 68, I think it was. Would be cool if we break it today. If not, all good. But if I've earned a nice little tap on the like button on the screen, would mean the world. I'm still chilling in full position. Bro, easy. I like how, like, calm and cool collected you are, bro. Lower TF created new HH. Lower time frame created new higher high. Yes. Retracement incoming. Yep. Agreed. I'm trying to catch that retracement. Stand by, guys. Stand by. I gotta do something for work really quick. My business. For the business. My sister has a call center. She does that too. Schedules roof inspections. Nice. Is she the roof plug by chance? Because that would be absolutely crazy if... Because there's a girl in a Facebook group that I'm part of with like 60,000 roofers. And I know the guy that owns the page. He partnered with a company called Roof Plug. And it's a girl that owns that call center. And it would be crazy if that's your sister. Like, the small world. But yeah, I've been in roofing sales for a while. I still manage commercial roofing call center here in Arizona. Been roofing for a few years and in solar for a few years. But I've been trading all through those years since 2020. I've been trading and losing money mostly. So I have to pee. And I'm afraid to walk away from the table. Gold, it is. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Gold trading, break of structure, fair value gap entry, bro. Break of structure, yes. Fair value gap entry, no. I'm using a 5-minute demand. This candle here. So yeah. NQ gearing up for the dip soon. Yeah, agreed. Let's take a look at NQ for a second for you guys that are NQ fanatics. So there is a 1-hour supply right here that is intriguing to short on NQ. I would want to see a trend line break. This is a very tight trend line. We also formed a 1-hour demand here also. So I'll just draw that out for us. So yeah, some sort of short entry here. So yeah. I did solar too, worked from home during COVID and sold PPAs in Cali. There you go. Oh, you did good. If you're selling PPAs in Cali, that's money. That was money. I was in Florida selling solar at like $3.10 a watt. And Cali, y'all were like $5 something a watt. Please, can you explain demand and supply zones? I do have a video about that on the stream. I won't be able to as much because I want to stay focused on trying to get into trades, but there's certain areas, it's like supply and resistance, but there are candles that show you what are supply and demand. Doyle Exchange and Carmine Rosado are the two people that have taught me what supply and demand is. First timer, first time chatting on live, looking to start trading. How do I get into evaluation? Yeah, evaluations to take profit trader or TopStep are two things you want to look at. I would suggest downloading TradingView and take TradingView and trade a demo account and just throw fake money into the market and just watch it go up and down to get used to it. I don't suggest buying an evaluation as of yet if you don't have any sort of strategy or understanding, unless you want to, to each their own. But my suggestion is to download TradingView, open up a demo account, and just send it. YOLO, whatever you want into it, and just see it. Just watch what happens. Like, oh, I put $1,000 and it turned to 2,000. It's all fake money on a demo account. So yeah, that's my suggestion for first time. And welcome to the chat, Trey. Appreciate you. Houston, Texas in the house. Houston, Texas is its own country in itself. So welcome to the chat from the country of Texas. And NQ going back to 25,500. NQ going back to 25,500. 25,500. Bro, 25,500. If it does, there would need to be some sort of news in the market, in my opinion. Some sort of news event needs to happen to push that even higher. Thank you for the likes on the stream, guys. We hit 44. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Apart from demand and supply, what do you use support your entry? I like to watch trendline breaks on the 5 minute and 1 minute into those areas of interest. So, for instance, I was looking to go long here earlier this morning, and I got stopped out. Went long again here, got stopped out. I only try to short and go long inside of areas of interest, which are 1 hour and 5 minute demand and supplies. Hold up. What's your highest payout so far? If you don't mind me sharing. I have total of 10,000 with TopStep. M and Q. Bro, guys, I like this setup here. Bear with me. Probably gonna adjust my trend line a bit here. Something like that. Okay, guys, I'm going to take off my gold buy limit order and just set an alert for down there because it looks like it's running up. So let me go back to MGC really quick. Take this off. So you see gold is running. I put an alert for down here. Now, the next area potentially would be right here to long. So I'm just going to draw that out right quick. But I am liking NQ. So hold on. Forgive me for going back and forth and not looking at the chat right quick. This strong run up on NQ, I like it. Up 35 points. GC position. Let's go, bro. Let's freaking go. Congrats. Don't piss yourself, homie. What do you mean by that? I do have to pee, so I'm holding it pretty hard right now. I gotta go. Very nice. Congrats. Thank you for sharing. Absolutely. Thank you so much, man. So on my other TradingView chart, there's a 1 hour 13 EMA right here. We just tapped it We literally just tapped it, and it's a 1 hour supply. And then on the 5-minute time frame, we also have the 200 EMA, which is like right around here. So I'm looking for a break of this trend line to short. Just booked 167 ticks by MGC. Boom, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Nice work, bro. Nice work. Buys look good on gold. I would wait for some sort of retracement. I don't want to chase. But right now my eyes are set on shorting MNQ. Let me see what size the risk is. Holy cannoli. 42 ticks. 42 times 20. That's an $840 candle on 1 mini. We are definitely trading micros. Don't overshake. Jesus knows your heart. What? You retard using a fake account. It's fake money. Oh, no one said it was real money. What are you talking about, bro? Don't overshake. Jesus knows your heart. Don't overshake. Don't overshake? I don't know what that means. Don't FOMO today, broski. No FOMO. I don't know if you're talking to me. No FOMO. I would short MNQ until we hit 24,500. That's up there. That is definitely up there. Don't know if we're going to get there. Do I have time to use the bathroom? You guys think I have time? Screw it. I can't. I gotta go. Be right back. Alright, I made it back. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient on shorting in Q. This is 1 minute. I'm trying to see what the area he has marked. It's a 1 hour supply. Dude just took some Twinkies to his local porta potty. Okay. Gold never came back to the demand area, which is aight. Still running. I don't want to chase anything, so let that thing run. But NQ's on my watch now. NQ's on my watch. Gold is paying me today. Let's go, bro. Make that money. I see my G. I hope it sells. Thanks, brother. All right, we had the trend line test. All right, we're getting the break on this 1 hour, on this 1 minute candle. We will look to short on this next 1 minute candle. We're at 48 likes. Can we get over the 48? Hit the 50 mark together, guys, if you're first time joining. What I want to see is this next candle open up, flip upwards first, and then wick down for us to enter short and stops above the 1 minute, or above that candle. So I want to see this wick up. I don't want to just enter in. I'm not entering in just to enter in. I want to see this wick up and then short. If it just drops, that's not something I'd like to take. All right, we're waking up. We're going to go 5 mini contracts.
Order filled.
We're in. Probably risk a little bit more than that, 250. Probably should bring this up to 300. And just in case this thing decides to run, we're going to drop it there. This is going to be TP if we get it. Maybe if we wait for it to change character, but that's just extra confirmation. It is, you know, with the strong run up, you know, I see it sometimes where it just rejects and comes lower, you know, but I might be wrong and I might blow this eval account today, but I'm not trading my express accounts.
Order filled.
Oof. Oof. I'm a little frustrated, but it's just evals. I ain't stressing out too much. We're doing it one more. We're doing it one more time.
Order filled.
This is evals. I'm not trading. I'm not trading my take my express accounts. This is NQ. Wait for longs, don't push. Yeah, I'm sure there's going to be a reversal somewhere to go long again, but I'm just trying to catch a short move. Stop to break even. Not yet. I think I'm just going to let it shake out a little bit. And once we get to close to TP, if we get to close to TP, I will look to close the trade. Again, I'm not scared of this. If I lose it, it's 49 bucks that I'm blowing. This is not an express account. I don't feel confident in trading the express account yet.
Order filled.
Cooked. About to blow this account, which I'm good with. How many streamers do you guys get to watch actually blow accounts live in front of people? Huh? Not many, right? Not many, not many. I'm not ashamed to show you guys I'm blowing it up in front of you. It's just 49 bucks.
Order filled.
All right, this is me about to blow up the account, which again, I don't care because it's just 49 bucks. Why stay in the trade, dude? No shade. We've all been there. Sorry, I'm not really paying attention to the chat right now. I see the next slower next week, but I do not believe we are entering some long-term bear market. Okay, I can see that. I might be blowing up a eval live. Five-minute, not looking too hot shorts, but again, eval. Trading micros or mini? These are micros. 5 micros right now.
Order filled.
Ooh. Blown. We blew it. We blew it. GG's on the eval. Can we say yeah, worth the short of the risk on eval. Can we say a prayer and good night to the evals or NQ? It was a good try, and a good night, it's getting to that 60 likes today, 85 in the room. Hey, if we get to 65, that'd be sick. That would be sick. Now you get that email from Death. Yes, that stupid email. You have violated. You have violated your whatever it is. Yeah. So that is the evaluation, not a not the actual live funded. May that eval rest in peace. Amen. Amen. Will that eval rest in peace? Ay caramba. I mean, we could have been right, guys, right here. But unfortunately we didn't get hit. We got hit. What a bummer. What a bummer. What a freaking bummer. Maybe I'll take it short on the TPT account. Ah, man. What a bummer. How crazy is that? How crazy is that? Our bias was right. It's about to hit TP. Just the entry was just choppy. Long ENQ 24850 might be good. Yeah, you went in too early from the looks of things. Yeah, I could have. You know, sometimes the setup just happens and you won. Sometimes it doesn't, and you blow up an eval. But yeah, I kind of just have to remember it's an eval. Talk to myself, yo, Shaq, eval, yo, Shaq, eval, and then I'm good because it's just 49 bucks. Can I spare 49 bucks? 100%. I can spare 49 bucks. You know, thank God that 49 bucks isn't a deal breaker. Okay, I like shorts. I know you guys are saying longs, but I'm into the short thing right now. So I would like to see this. I would like to see like a retracement pull up here, and I'm going to short on the TPT account. You went in too early from the looks of things. I've had to size way down in my XFA to 1 to 3 micros. The volatility will wick you out over again. Yeah, that's 100% true. It's okay, bro. You're strong. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it. I have got 5 eval blown so far. I have 2 funded pass. Let's go. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, you kind of just, of course, in the moment, and plus I'm in front of 60 people right now, it doesn't feel good to blow up an account and lose money all morning. even though my biases are correct in every time, like on gold, we were correct longs just too early. And NQ shorts, we were correct to go short, but just didn't catch the right entry parameter. And that might be right. Maybe I need to size down to 3 micros to widen my stops to give it more breathing room. But yeah, that's what she said. I don't know what that means. Do you focus on technical only? Not necessarily. I do like to look at the overall market as far as just news, like the AI bubble, you know, Fed's not, you know, only lowering the interest rate by 1/4 of a point, which is insane. So little things here or there, nothing too drastic. As far as, nothing too drastic as far as macroeconomics go. Blowing eval doesn't mean much. You meant to risk the higher for them. Exactly. Now with the funded though, that's a different conversation. Now this is the Express account, so I'm gonna be cautious. Make sure I actually like look at what I'm looking at before I do anything. I don't look at RSIs. Let's take a look at gold, because I'm kind of fixated on NQ right now, shorts. Would that have been a winner, NQ? I'm just curious. Yeah, I would have tapped pretty much TP. So yeah, that kind of bites, but it is what it is. I don't really look at RSI. To be honest, I don't really follow RSI. I don't know exactly what. I know what RSI does if things are oversold and overbought, and that was like when I first started trading. But now I don't really look at that. At least I have a hard stop at 500 on my XFAs. It's gonna lock me out. Very seriously and tightly till you double your initial drawdown. Yes, I mean these are up $746 each on the XFAs. So so that we have gold on watch right now. Gonna step away from NQ. Gold shorts would be up here. And let's talk about the giveaway real quick before I forget. I want to give away a TopStep account, which is $49 and some change. Let me type out what we need to do for you guys to enter in. Shoot, I don't have a new video out. You gotta follow me on Insta. Shaq MT. You need to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And you probably need to leave a comment on my first Instagram reel. All right, those are the 3 things I would need you to do to get the live funded. If PayPal does UK, I will send the $49, and if the fee isn't like more than $5, I'll still do it. I use Zoom PayPal. Zoom PayPal. Those are the parameters. Those are parameters. Let's make sure. Free TopStep account. I'm not sponsored by TopStep, so this is coming out of my own funds. Okay, it's coming out of my own money. And those are the things. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, leave a comment, and then I will choose the winner. We're gonna run this all of next week. Okay, just I gotta run it a little bit. Okay, gotta milk it a little bit. So on the 21st, next Friday, 21st, next Friday, we'll be choosing the winner. Boom. Winner on the 21st. And the way that I'll do it is either comment on my Instagram post or my Instagram video. All the people, oh, comment, you got to comment something. Comment, there's a guy in here, comment God Candle. Okay. God Candle, there's this guy, I forgot his name on YouTube. I apologize if you're here with me. Comment God Candle, because we passed an eval this week with him saying God Candle. He's like, I'll pray for you. I'm like, you know, sometimes I pray to God, it doesn't work out. He's like, well, we're gonna get a God Candle, and we got a God Candle, which was crazy. So those are the parameters. Follow me on Instagram, ShackMT, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment God Candle, so that I can reference you in Instagram, and then the winner will be chosen on the 21st. I'm gonna screenshot this. We're gonna post this inside of my YouTube channel. Cool. You guys cool with that? Everybody happy? Let me see if you guys are starting to follow on Instagram. All right, you guys are starting to follow. Wheeze Neil, welcome. Abdi Galigni, welcome to the Instagram. My first reel is a buddy of mine who edited the video. So I'm looking for those comments in there. We got to look for God Candle in the comment section. Dope stuff. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Guys, we're at 53 likes. The most likes I ever got was 68. 68 on a live. You think we can beat that today? You think we can get there? You think? I don't know. Maybe. Can we? Just kidding. It looks like we're 50-50 on our bears entering the chat or we rebound from here, which is crazy. Out of 222 votes, we're at a 50-50 split, which is crazy work. Hey, Wheeze Neil, he hit that God candle. Let's go. God candle. All right, remember, it's a 50K TopStep account. It's $49. If you're overseas and you can't buy TopStep, I'll still send you 49 bucks. The fee can't be more than $5 USD. Okay. So just letting you guys know.
Order filled.
I am using the evals right now with 3 micros. 3 micros. And I am looking to want to go short in this 5-minute demand area where I want a long. Those are the reasons why I entered short. 3 micros. 3 micros. This is live funded. This is Express. This is Express account. You're still waiting to go short on gold? Yeah, I'm gonna enter in here. I'll probably be one and done on gold, to be honest. I'm not gonna trade. If I lose this one, I'm just gonna lock myself out. I'd rather be done for 150 for the day and still be green for the week than to try to chase it and lose more. Easy. You and I are going opposites today, bro. Yeah, I might be cooked on this one.
Order filled.
All right, lost 150, 559 still in that account, which I'm totally good with. Considering just locking myself out for the day on the expressive funds, my max loss is 500 on the Express accounts. I have to leave by 9 o'clock my time, which is 30 minutes from now. So weighing out the options. I was looking to hopefully go long down here, but it looks like we found support in this 5-minute demand here. Found 5-minute demand long. So yeah, that was quick scalp tried short. 24,500 mentioned. Now we can start looking to see if supply comes in. If you're NQ 24,500, it looks like we're breaking up higher on NQ. If we go to 24,500, wait, you said 24,500 as mentioned. $24,500 or 25,500? I'm thinking you mean 25,500. $24,510 has supply. 20. But we're past 24,510. I'm confused. We're above that. Just get this up. You guys followed me there? Wheeze Neil, nice, nice. God Candle. Hey, Wheeze Neil might win, but we gotta do this every day next week up to the 21st. All right, so let me just text this to myself so I can post this every morning. $25.10. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I was about to say, I think I figured you were saying $25.10, but yeah. Yeah, there is a 1 hour supply. I could see that. There's also one above that. So longs have entered the chat for NQ. Markets are bullish and I expect a reversal on Monday. Yeah, that could be very much the truth. Can I pin this? Stand by, because it's getting in my way. Okay. Message has been pinned. I went short. Went short on NQ or and on gold? Oh, you're NQ, Mohammed. I think you're talking about NQ. Nice. Short on NQ. Good luck to you, brother. I hope you hit a banger of a trade. Yo, XAU going lower? What are you thinking? Yeah, this is the Express account, so you know we have highs here on the 1 minute failing. On the 5 minute, it's kind of consolidating here. I shorted already, got faked out. Ideally, would like to see longs come down here before it comes up even higher. Just trying not to stay too stuck on a bias, but trendline break. If we keep closing below this level, I would like for it to reject and go short. Bull chopping right now. Chance of breakout to the upside to finish the Friday off. That is a good chance. Yeah, 100%. End of the day, like just a rally for the rest of the day higher is very, very possible. You know, ideally, I would like to see long step in this big 5 minute candle down here, right here. I'd like to see long step in, you know, boom, and then we go higher. That's what I'd like to see to go long, but might not get it. So I'm just gonna stay patient. You know, I like this trend line. I got faked out earlier on the other trend line that I drew out. Had this trend line drawn out earlier. This is a newer trend line, has more touch points, more confirmation. So yeah, I short 4,200, just looking to where to get off. Problem with taking profits. Shorted 4,200. Bro, that's awesome, dude. Holy cannoli. . I'm gonna adjust the trend line just a little bit to be more conservative. Made 200 points long, 205 short, 205. I'm good for the day. Let's go. NQ's absolutely gone. I missed my entry by 10 points. Yeah, NQ is freaking sick right now. So there's two things that can happen with gold. It's very simple. Keep consolidating, it gets tighter and tighter. And then boom. That's one setup. Or it gets tighter and tighter. And boom. Those are literally the only two options. We may see new all-time highs by now in December. Whoa. Yo, that's aggressive. That's aggressive. Look at BTC. I mean, we're still far from all-time highs, man. We've rejected pretty hard. So we've got a lot of resistance to battle on BTC to get to all-time highs. You might be right. I just don't think by December is the question. I mean, longs do look interesting. It keeps holding. But I just don't want to buy. I just don't want to buy up here. You know, it's just too risky. Is this safe haven still needed since government is reopening? What people thinking about the macros on XAU? That's a good question. Safe haven, possibly. I think so. Super big macro. I think the big pockets, the deep pockets are starting to take profit. They've been running for the last 2-3 years, making money, buying. So I feel like these large equity firms and even Warren Buffett took out billions of dollars out of the market that he's sitting cash. You know, you think he's buying at this level, or do you think he'd want to wait for something lower if it does happen? Next stop on NQ 2504.40. Okay. Volume seems flat. It does. We sitting in supply on NQ. Yeah, volume is kind of choppy and slow right now, which is fine. We're consolidating on gold. It's trying to decide what it wants to do, and I'm totally good with that. I'm not in a trade, so I'm not in this chop. I'd rather wait for it to do something. So let's go to MNQ. So I shorted here. Would have been good for take profit, but we got stopped out. Now we are continuing higher on NQ. I'm going to draw out my 1 hour supply. So this is a decent area of supply right here. So we are tapping into that supply. So shorts might want to enter in that area, but I would want to see a trend line break before entering in anything. This trend line is too tight. So I'm just going to follow this trend line on NQ. MGC. Look at this gold. China and Russia gold. Yeah, I like gold. I mean, I like gold long or short, to be honest. I would, if it's shorts and I don't get it, I'd want a long here. Give me a second, guys. I have to get on the road here in about 30 minutes. I actually make sure I'm prepared. I have a photo shoot with one of my clients for his business. So give me a second. Oh gosh, is it going to break? Oh, almost did. Almost did. Oh, faked it out. Easy kid, are you long? If you're watching right now and you haven't done so, would love to earn your a like on the live. And if maybe you're enjoying the stream and you want to watch again, I try to go live every single day. So maybe you want to tap that subscribe button. Would mean a lot, mean the world to me. Open both at the same time with SL on both. Nah, man, that's straddling. I don't want to do that. That's stressful. Too stressful for me. Too stressful for me. Okay, I might be looking shorts here. I'm gonna do this one more time on gold. One more time, everybody. What am I trading? This is gold. This is TopStep X. I'm long, bro. 4038. I don't know. I know you are. You're still long. This is gold, and this is TopStep X. Just want to see this fail. If it doesn't fail, we're still not shorting. Price action is horrible today. Yeah, it was too big or too much volume. Sir, are you Filipino? Yes, sir, I am. Basta. Top likes I ever got was 68. We're at 58 right now. We just need 10 more to beat it. Or 11 more, I should say. We beat 11. Now that supply came in at 25, 25, 50, 75, we should get a pullback to use as demand long going back to 25, 103. You love your NQ, huh? You love your NQ. Pinoy, kumusta? Ano na? Kumusta na buhay? Ano pare? Sos Mario Jose. That's pretty much all the Filipino I know. Kumusta na ng buhay? Kumusta ng buhay? Sos Mario Jose. I just grew up hearing that all the time. Sos Mario Jose, ano na? Ano kasi Rolo? Sorry, I'm speaking Filipino and a bunch of people who aren't Filipino listening. What are you doing off that trend line, big boy? I don't know, big boy. I'm just waiting to short. The internet's funny, bro. I'm back. What chart are we watching? We're watching shorts on gold currently. All right, next 1 minute candle. I am potentially looking to short it. I would want to see it pull up first. Mohammed, what, you deleted something, bro? What you deleting there? Do you usually go live here on YouTube? I do. I try to go live every single day. I just know that word played with some Filipino. Yes. Do you usually go live? Yes. I can't read what that means. Anime editor. Touch triggered. Change of character. Is that what that means? Said hi. Okay, here we go. Last shot for the day. I'm gonna be full stop that if I get stopped out. These are my express funded accounts. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I do have a TikTok. I don't post there much.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm down $300 on the TopStep accounts, Express. I'm still up for the week, but I'm going to lock myself out so I don't go on tilt. Boom. I locked myself out. Stop's too close for gold. Yeah, I mean, the volume is pretty high today, but we're up $444 on the Express accounts. So definitely pleased with the week. Didn't short, please. Don't short. Easy. You're making money, bro. I'm happy for you. We've been going against each other all day, unfortunately. Oh, actually, we were kind of on the same bias in the morning. It's a long. Yeah, it was too early for me. I got stopped out. Buy gold. How are you? Doing good. Thank you for asking. Buy gold. Yep. Gold buys. They're good. That's great stuff. Yeah, so I locked myself out. Where are we at for the week? So there we are. Two funded accounts, $444 each. Took 2 trades, loss. And you just gotta stay disciplined. Like, I locked myself out because I feel like I felt tilt. I wanted to make my money back. I told myself on Express accounts I want to try being strict on it. So longs have entered in, but these are the Express accounts. There you go. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see Express? So you guys see that it's Express? I don't know if you guys can see. All right, there you go. unlucky for today, bro. Enjoy your weekend. Love your lives. Like watching while trading. Yeah, cool, bro. Yeah, it's fun hanging out with you. Appreciate you not being like, I told you I should be going long. I told you you should be doing that. I've been trading for a while now, and look, I could have been right and you could have been wrong, and it's good that we have this like healthy back and forth. I think people can see that. Sometimes when I traded live with other people and they're like, oh, bro, you're stupid for doing that. And then I'm actually right. And then they look stupid, but I'm not pointing that out, right? Like, I like that there's like this healthy back and forth between us. 60, we're at 60 likes. 68 is my top. 68 is my top live video likes. Could we get to 70 before? Can we end the week at 70 likes? Is that possible? It would mean a lot. Let me click on it. Let me take it to my, how many likes is it? 67. So if we can get to 68 or 70, I'll count that W's in the chat. I'm gonna run this GC entry. Got 6 micros running, taking 2 micros partial. Great, that's awesome. I'm looking for today. Oh yeah, and then I believe shorts is coming on really soon. Brother, it might come. Shorts might come soon. They're gonna come at some point. I just don't know when. Just don't know when. Just be careful. Stay tight. Welcome to the Discord if you're just joining. Trust me, bro, I'm wrong sometimes. Cool, man. At least you're willing to, take that. Yeah, I can tell you've been trading for a while. You can tell what's up. Let's get some hearts in the chat for 100 in the chat for Easy Kid. 100 for Easy Kid. He's been a real one the entire day. I was using a funded. Yep, I have two Express accounts. I actually am down 300 for the day, and I decided to lock myself out, so I'm completely locked out. Let's see what it was for this week. So this is this week on the funded accounts. Average winning is 2.96 R. 40% win rate. How cool is that? Win rate's low, but we're profitable. We hit $746 on the high. Today we had a red day, so we're down $444, down to $444. So this week we're ending green on 2 XFAs. 2 XFAs. God, we're so close. 70. Let's go. We just need 8 more people. Do I got 8 more people on the live that haven't hit the like button? Could you help us out? Get to 70. That'll be the biggest boom. 7 years, bro. I love it. Long term. What did I take? I was taking longs on gold on eval this morning. Blew the eval account, and then on the Express, I went short here 2 times, and I just stopped myself out, or locked myself out. I'm using XFA. Yeah, let's go. Express better than TopStep. Express is a funded account with TopStep, so it's the same thing. Easy's making real money. We're so close. 68. Yes. I got to see how long my drive is. Hold on, guys. We are going to oh snap, I forgot I have him. Hold on. What do I... Sorry, there's so many things I'm trying to take care of right now. An hour and 25-minute drive, so I have to leave at 9. Get there. Okay, yeah, I gotta hit the road. Guys, thank you so much. Sorry, bro, I did not mean that. I meant if Interactive Brokers is better than TopStep. Oh, gotcha. TopStep is just a prop firm. Interactive Brokers is a legitimate broker where you can put real money in it. Looks like we might not get to 70, but it definitely was a pleasure trading with you guys today. Thank you so much. Yeah, we had some red day. We had a red day today. We lost money, but the XFAs are still alive. We still have money in there. So yeah, appreciate you. I'll see you guys. We have that giveaway. Read the pinned comment in the chat for the giveaway. We'll be running it all of next week. So I hope to see you guys. Have a good weekend. Get some rest. Breathe. Have a good weekend. Whether you made money or